Welcome to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is concept of personality. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject consumer behavior and also discusses various topics related to it like meaning of consumer behavior, scope, different models of consumer behavior and so on. So in today's video we'll discuss and started about the topic concept of personality uh, or the meaning of personality also. You can also watch other videos, links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic which is concept of personality. So, the term personality has been derived from the Latin term persona, which means to speak. The Latin term denotes the mask which actors used to wear in ancient Greek and Roman. Therefore, personality refers to the knowing people influence others through their external appearances. Personality is a set of traits and characteristics, habit, patterns, and conditioned responses to certain stimuli that formulate the impression an individual makes upon others. So, what is personality? It is basically meaning the other mask which any person uses to appear in the general public for external appearances. It is set of characteristics, traits, habits, patterns, and conditioned responses to certain stimuli that formulate the impression an individual makes upon others. So, personality basically the mask or the features or group of features which influences other persons in the external behavior. Thus, personality may come out as warm and friendly, arrogant and aggressive. Personality can be defined as, according to Freud Lithens, personality means how a person affects and how he understands and views himself, as well as the pattern of inner and outer measurable traits and the person's situations interaction. So, Freud Lithens describe personality as the person's influence to the other persons which their inner and outer characteristics. Some other definitions are also given by different authors like Floyd Eldridge defined personality as personality is includes external appearances and behavior, inner awareness of self as a permanent organizing force, and the particular pattern of organization of measurable traits, both inner and outer. As well as according to Gordon Allport, personality is a dynamic organization within the individual of those psychological systems that determine his unique adjustment to the environment. So these two definitions also describes the personality as the group of features of a particular person which may be inner features or outer features which influences other persons by the different characteristics. Thus, from the other about definitions, following are the elements of personality. First is personality represents distinctive traits. It is goal-directed behavior and it is unique in nature. It becomes habitual to the person. It forms a time integrating structure. It results finally into action behavior in relation to a person, organization, or situation as well. So, personality includes different types of elements like distinctive features, traits, directed behavior, unique in nature, and so on. So, this is all about the concept of personality. I again summarize all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So, what is concept of personality? The term is derived from the Greek word, Latin word persona, which means to speak. It means the any mask for the external appearance of a person which influences the other persons. Different definitions are given by different authors like Freud Lithens, Floyd Rich, Gordon Allport, and so on. They all define personality as the inner and outer characteristics which influence other persons in the external environment. So there are different features or different elements of personality which are, it includes this distinctive traits or features, it has directed behavior, it is unique in nature, it becomes habitual to person, and it is action oriented. So this is all about the concept of personality. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any topic related to research methodology, business management, consumer behavior, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We will meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.